Okay, once you learned the word school in Korean, 학교, alright? And then you prepare this kind of index card, alright? So you write school, and in English and Korean, 학교. Okay? So examples, 예문, examples. 예문. Okay, so number one, 학교에 다니다. And number two, 학교를 졸업하다. Three, 아이를 학교에 보내다. Okay, something like this. Alright, so you make your own index card. Okay? Right, and last one. This is label sticker. Okay, so you write some Korean word. All right. For example, like this. 가방, 가방. Okay, so you attach this sticker onto your 가방, like this. 가방. Okay, can you see? 가방, like this. So whenever you look at your bag, and you can check 가방, Korean word. Alright? So everything at your home, at your workplace, at your school, at your belongings. Alright? And another one. This is my wallet. 지갑. Okay, so you write 지갑. Okay, and then put the sticker onto your wallet. Alright, 지갑. Okay, so when you take out your wallet, okay, and then Korean, 지갑. Yeah, 지갑. This is 지갑. Okay, something like that. Alright? And also in the picture dictionary, you can find this Korean word, 지갑. Maybe. I guarantee. Alright? Okay. How about this one? 시계. Okay, so you can't attach the sticker the front. All right, so in the back or something, you can put the sticker. 시계. Okay. All right. So today, I taught you 1, 2, 3, 4 ways. Alright? When it comes to learning vocabulary. Okay, so just try it. Alright? Okay, bye.